Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a get ready with me. I already did my brows. I also prepped my lips with Blistex Regular and my skin with the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion, and I really love this. It really does hydrate my skin, and I know it doesn't really look like it on camera, but it honestly does help with the redness of my skin. And I also went in with the Bobbi Brown Extra Repair Moisture Cream, and for my eyebrows, as per usual, I went in with the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette shade right here. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I'm going to be using my Swamp Queen palette for today's look. Here's a look at the inside of the palette.
In this video, I go into Natural Peaches, Haunting, Uncommon, and Mancat, as well as Gator. And here's what they look like in Natural.
Natural Peaches, and on this fluffy brush. Oh, I almost forgot to prime my lids. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion. I've been feeling, just cause like, I've got really bad allergies. There's not much more to say than I got really bad allergies, and so my sinuses have been killing me. That's why I haven't been posting on Instagram as much. But I'm trying my best, and I'm trying to make it so I still have my Wednesday videos, my only videos, basically. But, you know, it is what it is. I actually have that tattooed right here, and yes, it's pretty faded, but that's finger tattoos. Especially on the middle finger, it faded pretty quick just because of the amount of friction that occurs in that area. So maybe eventually I'll get it retouched up again, because I've already got it touched up once. And honestly, that's the worst tattoo that I've gotten. Like, not style-wise, because I love the tattoo. I find it beautiful. But pain-wise, it hurt so bad. And luckily, I think it only took like maybe 10 minutes. Honestly though, it was worth it both times. And the lettering is my mom's handwriting. She's always had such beautiful writing, so, and well, being as she's my mother, I thought it was a good idea to get her to write it out for me. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Haunting on the same brush. My birthday was October 20th, and I am now 21, but doesn't really make much of a difference because here in Canada, drinking's legal when you're 19, so. And then weed just got legalized, and that's also when you're 19, so, except for in America, I'm now finally legal, but I don't visit America. Don't have my passport to visit America. I went once for a school trip, and honestly, it was such a bad experience because at the border, they like pretty much interrogated me and they gave me a panic attack. So that's kind of making me not want to ever go again. But if you experience anxiety, I'm sure you'll understand what I'm talking about, because it's like once you have an anxiety attack somewhere, you don't really want to go back in to that spot because you're scared you're going to have another panic attack there. Now I'm going to go in with Mancat on this Morphe brush. It was in a set, in the 18-piece vegan set, I think. So it doesn't have a number or anything on it, but yeah, I'm taking that into Mancat. And I'm gonna take that in my crease. So for the shade, I'm literally just following where my eye crease is, like where the bone is, where my eyeball naturally ends. Taking Haunting again to blend out the edges. Now I'm taking this flat Morphe brush and going in to the shade Uncommon, and honestly this is my favorite shade from the palette for the eyeshadows because the highlighter is so bomb. I love it. I find this shade Uncommon is such a unique shade. It's like, and like that's a very light swatch of it. It's kind of brown based with purple and gold, maybe a little bit of pink and some silver sparkle to it. I love it. So Temptilia describes Uncommon as a medium taupe brown with warm undertones and a frosted sheen. I'm going to be so sad when I run out of this shade. So Tarte, please make this a permanent shade. Actually, I'm just gonna take this on my finger. I'm going to take this smudger brush from Sephora and first go into Natural Peaches and smudge that underneath. Not with that brush, actually. I'm going in with this e.l.f. C brush, eyeshadow brush, and back into Natural Peaches. I don't want to look so dead, so to make me look a little bit more alive, I'm actually going to go in with the Rimmel Scandalize Waterproof Kajal in the shade Nude. Just to make me look a little bit more awake, alive. And then I'm going to go back in with the same e.l.f. eyeshadow brush into Mancat and further smoke out the bottom lash line. I like to do the nude liner first, that way it's not like as in your face doing the shadow second kind of makes it a little more natural looking, I find. Because then it's not like super fresh and you can get straight to the edge. See, like how this is kind of bumpy around my lash line, whereas this isn't as bumpy. I think that's the best way I can explain it. Sorry if that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this lip brush from Vanity Planet, and I'm gonna take Gator Wings and I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner. It's like the perfect highlighting shade for me. It complements my skin tone so well. So I'm going to kind of blend it into the uncommon shade on the top, as well as a little bit underneath my eye. Like so. I'm just gonna do that to the other eye. And I'm going to take my E61 and highlight everywhere else. And taking that lip brush again and going underneath my brow bone because I forgot to. So now I'm just going to pop on some of the Hourglass Caution mascara. Okay, so that's the finished eye look. I'll be right back. I have to go find a lip to go with this. Okay, so I'm going in with the only Kylie product that I own, the lip kit in Vixen. It was from one of her holiday collections.
This is a swatch in Natural Light.
So yeah, I'm gonna go line my lips. Now I'm going to set everything in place with my Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to check out my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. They are all linked down below. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.